जी GQ best dressed है. I feel GQ really dictates style in a very beautiful way. My style has always been it's been very simple, but at the same time there's always been a quirk. That's how I've enjoyed it. So I have this little splash of paint that's happening here. Otherwise, the checkered suit, it's easy. It's nice. Bollywood say, I think nothing beats Saif Ali Khan. Yeah. Nothing. He's so classic. He's always been this super stylish. He's very easy with his styling, and I think we've all looked up to him from his suits to the way he dresses, his glasses, his hair. So I think Saif Ali Khan. Yeah, done. Super. Well, it's always an honor, being on the GQ carpet. Quite frankly, I think it's such a limited guest list, like they always make it sound, and it's always a privilege and an honor to be amongst the best dressed this evening. India, Pakistan, of course I'm excited. Who isn't excited? It's a big game. It's been a while since the ban was lifted, and yeah, since the ban's been lifted, so I'm very excited. Really wishing the entire team, all the men in blue, the best. I know I'm going to be sitting front seat with my family watching this tomorrow, and Virat, the cup needs to come back home, bro. Well, in that case, it's nice to meet you.
I am wearing Hemant and Nandita. I don't know. I really don't know. It keeps changing. I like Ranveer's style. Look into that instead. Actresses. Sonam, Kalki, Alia. Yeah, everybody's so well dressed now. Like this, easy. Yeah, easy. Hi, buddy, how are you? Yes. It's mostly to do with the environment, and being responsible about climate change, and also some animal welfare for like stray animals. That I really believe in. Kaunsa match hai? Good luck, boys. Come back with the win and come.
हेलो, हाउ यू गाइस? सॉरी, हाय, थैंक यू। क्या कहना चाहूँगा कि जो मौसम है हमारे देश में, जो हमारे सिटी में, मुंबई में मानसून आ गया है, तो उसके हिसाब से ड्रेसिंग भी चेंज होने लगा है। सो आई एम वेयरिंग दिस जैकेट इज़ बाय डी स्क्वायर, एंड द पैंट्स आई थिंक द जीन्स आर बाय डीजल, एंड द शूज़ आर बाय लुई विटॉन, एंड द सॉक्स आर माय ओन। आई मेड देम माई सेल्फ। Okay, so men, I think there's one man that I've always loved his style, Mr. Dev Anand. He's my mother's favorite actor. So बचपन से ही मैं जब उन्हें देखता था, जिस तरीके के मफलर्स पहनते थे या जो ब्लेजर्स थे उनके बहुत वेल टेलर्ड होते थे हमेशा, तो उनकी स्टाइल आई थिंक लाजवाब. Among the actresses, I think सारी जो एक्ट्रेसेस है बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है. सोनम ऑब्वियसली समवन हू स्टैंड्स आउट, हमेशा एक स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट देती है वो जब बाहर आती है. Just be comfortable, be easy, dress according to the weather. I think we all are very excited. मैं शूटिंग कर रहा हूँ उस दिन जुड़वा के लिए, बट होपफुली मैं 6 बजे तक घर आ जाऊँगा. और डेफिनेटली मेरे जो my dad is a very big cricket fan, so we'll definitely be watching the India-Pakistan match. And best of luck, India.
Yeah, thank you.
हाँ, ठीक है.
I would have to address it to them. Yeah, I mean, I would have died to be there. India Pakistan for every cricketer is the biggest dream. So yeah, I'm a little disappointed that I couldn't be there, and yeah, but very excited for the boys, and I'm really looking forward to watching the game. It's not going to be the easiest thing to do, but I'm really looking forward to the Champions Trophy, not just India Pakistan but the whole series. We're defending champions, so there's a lot of pressure on our team, but I'm sure they will come up with and they will deliver the goods. Thank you.
I'm wearing my wardrobe tonight. Yeah, I didn't want to spend too much money. Yeah. I don't know. I like simple colors. For me, simple is fashion. So I mostly wear black and white. I like boots. I'm a big fan of shoes. I would say Saif Ali Khan and Sonam Kapoor. They're going to win anyway. They're going to win anyway.
I mean, I'm very excited. Finally, it's raining, and there's 3 films that have released for me in 1 month. Watch out for Bank Chor on 16th June. Also, Dobara is released right now. So super excited and happy to be at the GQ Best Dress. Me? I think fashion and style is something that you feel. Whatever you feel looks good on you and whatever you can rock, you should wear it. So I'm experimentative like that. So I like to try new things and see what works. For the India-Pakistan, all the best. Team Blue, bleed blue, go win it, make us proud. Virat, we're banking on you. Thank you.
Together.
You're wearing. Who are you wearing? Yeah.
Antu, where are you going?
Hi guys.
Hi, yeah, this one.
I'm wearing Abu Jani Sandeep
I'm
Khosla.
wearing Troy Costa.
Abu Jani Sandeep Khosla. Fashion statement.
For me, it's GQ for sure. Yeah, GQ.
For me, I think is wear what you're comfortable wearing and what you think is your personality. हाँ जी, हाँ. हाँ. बहुत अच्छा फीलिंग है. I mean, हम घर पे बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करते तो अभी अच्छा लगा कि सेट पे भी हमने बहुत टाइम स्पेंड किया साथ में. So I hope that everyone likes us coming together.
Very intense. It's very intense film, man. It's basically very different to what we share in real life and what we share on set.
Thank you. All the best, Team India. Do well.
All the best.
Thank you, guys.
Sorry, yaar. I rarely get to meet my family.
Who are you wearing tonight?
Siddharth Tyler.
Okay, and what would be your fashion statement?
Comfort. Always comfort.
And who according to you are the best men and women from the industry? And amongst the actresses?
No, it's him only. No, him only. My family is the best. Sonam Kapoor and Anil Kapoor, sorted, like me. Best dressed is Anil Kapoor, best dressed is Sonam Kapoor.
No.
Actually, Boni and Sanjay Kapoor.
The best dressed in our family is Boni Kapoor and Sanjay.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. We come third and fourth.
Yeah.
Third
No,
is you, fourth is-
distant.
Distant.
Then the Sonam, Riya, there are lots of people. Then after that.
Sorry?
Who are you wearing tonight?
I don't know. What am I wearing right now? Let me check.
Jalal, where's Jalal? Jalal, who is wearing?
What am I wearing? Okay, I will come back.
It doesn't matter who he's wearing, he's looking outstanding. I'm very excited for a Sunday where I can be chilled out and watch the match. Yes, I'm looking forward to the Champions League final tonight as well, so I'm excited about that. जी सुमित कैसे हैं आप? Hi, how are you? कैसे हो आप? Yeah, you can shake my hand. I don't bite. I look like I do, I don't. चलिए, see you guys. Oh. He doesn't know. all the best to the Indian cricket team here. I hope they, I can't say what I want, but like I hope they kick some beep beep beep.